Hello and welcome to iIntelligence iTechnology. It is 22nd August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Anthropic's Opus 4.6 is a smut machine. Anthropic forbids its Claude models from generating sexually explicit content. But a series of tests conducted by TechCrunch found that it didn't take much to get past the restriction. TikTok to pay $400 million to US in one of largest child privacy settlements. The deal stems from a 2024 lawsuit alleging TikTok and its parent company ByteDance collected vast amounts of data on millions of users under the age of 13. Vijay Shekhar Sharma's 4 crore rupees pay found materially below peer median. Board recommends revision. Under the proposed structure, Sharma's remuneration will also include a variable component which will be performance-linked set by the NRC on achievement against predefined financial performance targets. Proposed London data centre, incompatible with net zero with 1 ton carbon footprint. Exclusive. Planning documents show annual emissions from North Auckland project would be equivalent to 8,480 flights to New York. A hyperscale data center in outer London would generate more than 1 meter tons of carbon dioxide a year, equivalent to the carbon footprint of 8,480 flights from London to New York, planning documents show. NVIDIA partners with data center developer Cloverleaf. NVIDIA continues to pour money into data center development, just as AI data centers bring lots of money into NVIDIA. At the One-of-a-Kind Awards for Early-Stage Startups, presented by the Economic Times and Cash-Free Payments, the People's Choice Award recognized the early-stage, internet-first startup that earned the trust, loyalty and enthusiasm of the wider startup ecosystem through public participation. How AI accounting startup Rillet raised $100 million and became a unicorn in 48 hours. Rillet CEO Nicolas Cope shared growth numbers at a board meeting and set off a fundraising frenzy from Iconic, Sequoia and others. One-of-a-Kind Awards, honoring the resourcefulness of bootstrapped champions. At the One-of-a-Kind Awards for Early-Stage Startups, presented by the Economic Times and Cash-Free Payments, the Bootstrapped Champion Award recognized an early-stage, internet-first startup that achieved significant traction while remaining largely self-funded. Apple is reportedly cutting hundreds of jobs from Siri, Vision Pro teams. Apple has admitted that some roles are being impacted as it shifts its focus away from certain initiatives. One-of-a-Kind Awards, an ode to startups creating categories of their own. At the One-of-a-Kind Awards for Early-Stage Startups, presented by the Economic Times and Cash-Free Payments, the Category Creator Award recognized early-stage, internet-first startups that created, disrupted, and owned categories, setting the bar high for others to see and feel inspired by. TikTok reaches $400 million settlement over children's privacy lawsuit. 2 years after the U.S. Department of Justice alleged that TikTok violated the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, it has reached a $400 million settlement. One-of-a-Kind Awards, celebrating the GTM strategies driving early growth. At the One-of-a-Kind Awards for Early-Stage Startups, presented by the Economic Times and Cash-Free Payments, the GTM Excellence Award recognized an early-stage, internet-first startup that built a clear path from product innovation to customer adoption, distribution, and sustained growth. The $225 Pebble Time 2 is a refreshingly fun smartwatch. The $225 Pebble Time 2 pairs quirky watch faces and apps with physical buttons, an e-paper display, weeks of battery life, and a playful hacker spirit. One-of-a-Kind Awards, recognizing startups that put customers at the center. At the One-of-a-Kind Awards for Early-Stage Startups, presented by the Economic Times and Cash-Free Payments, the Customer Experience Delight Award recognized an early-stage, internet-first startup that builds strong customer relationships through engagement, retention, responsiveness, and service excellence. NVIDIA just showed that the harness, not the AI model, is now the real hero. NVIDIA research shows that AI agents can perform well, and not go off the deep end through fine-tuning, even if the AI model isn't that great at the task. That is all for this bulletin from my Intelligence I Technology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.